Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
So, can you drive a car with insurance but no tag? The short and simple answer is no, you absolutely cannot. Think of it this way, to legally drive on any public road in the United States, your vehicle needs to meet two separate, mandatory requirements. First, you need proof of financial responsibility, which is your car insurance. Second, you need proof that the car is registered with the state, and that proof is your license plate, or tag. Having one without the other doesn't work. A license plate is the physical evidence that you've paid your state's registration fees and taxes, and that the government knows the car belongs to you. Driving without one is like walking around without an ID. It immediately tells law enforcement that something is wrong. Now, there are a few very specific, temporary exceptions to this rule. The most common one is when you've just bought a car from a dealership. The dealer will typically issue you a temporary tag, which is usually a piece of paper you tape to your back window. This temporary registration is legal to drive with for a specific period, like 30 or 60 days, giving you time for the official metal plates to arrive. Another situation is a private sale. If you buy a car from another person, you can't just slap your old plates on it and drive away. You need to take the signed title and bill of sale directly to the DMV. Some states offer what's called a trip permit for a small fee, which allows you to legally drive the car from the seller's location to your home, or to the DMV, and that's it. You can't use it to run errands or go to work. Outside of these very narrow, temporary situations, driving without a tag is a serious offense. If you get pulled over, the consequences can be severe. You're looking at a hefty ticket and fines that can easily run into hundreds of dollars. The police officer has the authority to have your vehicle towed and impounded on the spot. That means you'll be stranded, and you'll have to pay the ticket, the towing fee, and a daily storage fee to get your car back, all of which adds up incredibly fast. Worse yet, even though you have insurance, your provider could potentially deny a claim if you're in an accident while operating the vehicle illegally without proper registration. It's a massive financial and legal risk that is never worth taking. The bottom line is, your license plate is not optional. It's a critical piece of legal documentation for your vehicle. Always make sure your car is both insured and registered with valid plates before you ever turn the key. Thanks for watching. If this video helped clear things up for you, do us a favor and hit that like button, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more straightforward answers to your drive